How to log in Temu Canada account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Temu Canada account. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, search for temu.com/ca. Once you do that, you will be taken to the Temu Canada page. Now here, you want to click on the profile icon. Once you click on this, the login portal will appear. Here you can sign in or register. If you already have an account and you simply want to log in, you want to enter your email or phone number. Once you have entered that, click on the continue option. You can also sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple account, or your X account. Then you want to click on the continue option. Next step is to enter your password. Go ahead and enter the correct password. Once you have entered the password, click on the sign in option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully signed into your Temu Canada account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.